Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, James the Chart Guys. It's Wednesday, June 14th. Gonna do my nightly video on Natgas. Natgas is right at that downtrend line again. Closed right above it. So tomorrow, if we on inventory reports, if we break below this downtrend line and we break lower than 2.888, that's a red flag. And bears are still going to be in control. Again, we need to wait. It's pretty simple that we need to wait for this 8 EMA to become support, and there's no reason to play it until that 8 EMA becomes support. We may find the bottom once that 8 EMA becomes support, but until then, I would never take a bull position here. And you can see we haven't had that 8 EMA since back in May 22nd. And since May 22nd, it's been rejecting that 8 EMA multiple times. Rejection there, rejection, rejection. Further downside, back test rejections, back test rejection, 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 and more downside. So we are breaking below the recent low here of 2.935 before we bounced a bit. And now we're going to look at the low of today, 2.916. And again, if we break below this recent low here of 2.888, that's a red flag because we've been setting higher highs on the daily. So higher lows. So we had this low, we had a higher low, and if we break that, that's breaking the pattern, and we're setting a lower low after setting a lower high. So we have this high, and we've been setting lower highs here from that high. And the weekly chart, what that looks like is the weekly. We have a low, we have a high, a higher high, but then we set a lower high. And let me see where the low here is at 2.916, and that recent low on the weekly is 2.888. So lines up with that daily. So we need to really hold this this low here, recent low here. Or again, the psychology could be a head and shoulder type pattern. It's not an exact head and shoulders, but we have the left shoulder, we have the head, unable to set a higher high. And if we break this neckline here, then we're going to look for further downside longer term. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.